Let's help language grow.
Hello, my name is Brittany Toney, and I am a consultant for PRC-Saltillo. I support Saltillo products in southwestern Ohio, northern Kentucky, and Indiana. This is my son, Benton. Say hi.
Hi.
There are lots of simple ways to model and teach language during daily routines at home. We'd like to show you some ways that you can use the words more and all done. We can use the words more and all done to talk about puzzles.
Puzzle. Puzzle. Ah.
I have more puzzles.
More.
Great job asking for more puzzle. One more piece. I have one.
More.
More. Good job.
One more.
And now we are
All. Done.
all done. We can also use the words more and all done when we're reading
What?
books.
A book.
Curious George feeds the animals.
Don't feed the animals.
Is that what he says? George tossed him a treat and the crocodile snapped it out of the air. Should we read more?
More. More.
Read more. George shared his treats with an elephant. That's so silly.
Don't feed the animals.
I wonder what happens next. Let's read
More.
more. And then when we're all done with the book, we can say, don't feed the animals, George. And now we are all done.
No one.
We can also use the words more and all done when we're eating a yummy snack like chocolate. I have
More.
Ooh,
More.
More chocolate. That's so yummy.
More.
More. And now our chocolate is all done. All done snack. Thank you for watching. We hope you'll find some time to teach the words more and all done this week.